Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here, hi, my name is Liz, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. So if you don't know already, I'm doing like a kind of throwback series of looks that I am recreating from the past. If you are a long follower of mine, I am recreating some older looks that I did on my Instagram. I have a few videos of these looks, but not all of them. That's how old some of them are. But anyway, so I wanted to do this series just to see if I have improved at all, or I don't know, just to see my progression really. So I'll pop on the screen now the look that I am going to be recreating. And yeah, hopefully I did a good job. Before we get on to the video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoy it, and let me know down in the comments below if you did, and also any video ideas. Other than that, let's get into this video. So FYI, I have tanned. I haven't tanned my face just because my skin is very sensitive on my face and I don't like doing it on my face. So foundation is going to be darker than my face just to match my body, because clearly there's a difference. So that's the disclaimer out of the way. But today I have day 3, episode 3 I should say, because it is weekly, of my throwback series. So this is going to be a smoky gold green look, as you can tell from this eye. I don't know how I feel about this one. I've never been a massive fan of gold, like yellow gold, but it's okay. How do you like my lighting anyway? I've made it like a nice warm mix of warm and cool tones. Hopefully it looks okay, but I needed to bring a little bit more warmth to my skin because I was taking photos and I thought my skin looked a little bit grey, especially when I posted them onto Instagram, so let me know. So I will be filming a IGTV for this look as well. I'm not sure about the other ones, I can't remember, but I have my camera set up by here. Hopefully it's going to look okay, at least. We're going to be using the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette as usual, but of course we're going to be diving into some colours that I haven't used before, and also the more neutral wearable shades, and the really yellowy tone gold that's in there, which is, I gotta say, absolutely stunning. But I have used a pigment on top, which I'll tell you in a second. But first we're going to do my eyeshadow base. I'm going to use the P.louise base in 02. Okay, so to start off with, I'm going to take the dark brown, which is called Intuition. I believe I filmed my brown smoky eye with these shades. I can't remember. I believe I did. Yeah, this is going in the crease. So how has everyone been? I know it's been difficult. I actually had a really down day the other day. I don't know what was going on, but I was fine since then. I don't know, I feel like it's getting to me now. I feel like I've put on a lot of weight, which is my own fault really. It's just getting the motivation to exercise as well, because I was such a gym junkie when we could actually go to the gym. But getting the motivation to do things at home, like exercise wise, is a task for me. Because when I was at the gym, I had to do something, if you get what I mean. But me and Connor have been going on walks and like a few jogs now and then, but I don't know, it's just not the same. If you're feeling the same, you're not alone. I'm feeling a little bit meh about it. I've been stuck in for more than 4 weeks now, just over 4 weeks, and yeah, it's getting to me. So next I'm going to take the shade Hall, and that's just going to go on top, slightly higher, but blending those together. It's so awkward filming a IGTV and a YouTube video. Next I'm going to go into Basic, which is again going to go slightly higher. Can't stick this silence. Is anyone else not able to sit in silence? Because I'm one of them. What I'm going to do now is pat some of the base we put down and just make sure we have a clean base. We're not cutting the crease or anything, we're just patting that base so we have a fresh colour. And then we're going to take the shade in the palette called Fortune, which is a gorgeous, stunning yellowy gold. And I'm just going to pat that on. Okay, so I've patted, is that a word? I've pat that on to the area that we put the base again, and I've done it slightly higher so it blends into the crease. And to get that sparkle back, I'm going to take the Peaches and Cream pigment in Hollywood, which is a nice glitter, so it's a very fine glitter. And I'm also going to I'm going to take the NYX glitter glue first and pat that on where we put that eyeshadow. And now I'm going to go in with the Peaches and Cream pigment. Now I'm going to do the black. I'm going to take a black kohl pencil. Make sure it's a nice soft pencil, and I'm going to run that in the waterline, the upper waterline. And then I'm going to put it on the lash line as well, the upper lash line. And then I'm going to take the black eyeshadow and go on top of where we just put that liner and smoke it out. What I'm going to do with under the eyes as well is put a little bit of that base. Put that under. I've seen a lot of artists do this, do the under eyes before their base, and I haven't done it like this before, so I thought I'd give it a go. And then I'm going to take the Colourpop Cream Gel Liner pencil in the shade Teaspoon, which is a green shade. And now I'm going to take the green in the eyeshadow palette, The Hype it's called. I'm going to pop that underneath. And then in the inner corner I'm going to take Fair Play, which is like a highlight shade, which has got like a yellowy tone. And then that's all I'm going to do with the eyes at the moment. So that's it for the eyes so far. I'm now going to move on to the face for now. For primer, I'm going to take these two here. So I'm going to take the NYX primer spray and then the Revolution Pore Blur primer. So I'm going to spritz this on my face and then add this to only the areas like my chin, my nose, stuff like that. Okay, so then to add a little bit of shine to my face, I'm going to add the MAC Strobe Cream. This is the Gold Light one, so it's got like a little bit of gold reflex to it. I'm just going to blend that out with a brush because I don't like it getting on my hands. Ugh. Okay, so then for foundation I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Hydrate. I haven't used this in a while, but I know I absolutely love this foundation. It's such a nice coverage, lightweight, glowy foundation. Not glowy in a sense, but it's nice and luminous. I'm just going to shake it up a little bit. I have the shade F10, so quite a darker shade because it's going to match my body. I want to be extra glowy today. So I have been going in with like a flat foundation brush to apply my foundation. I haven't even actually washed my tan off yet, so that's why it's probably looking a little bit dark. but I actually love it this dark. It's so nice. So I'm just going to blend it out with a brush. Yeah, I don't know why I decided to tan in the day. Like, I had a shower and then tanned. Don't know. I'll probably wash it off tomorrow now. I absolutely love this foundation. It's so good. Okay, so now for concealer. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which I absolutely love this concealer. It has slowly come back into my life. I do normally use the shade Fair, but light neutral is a nice one for when I'm tanned. And I'm going to blend that out with a sponge, of course. I just feel so much better when I'm tanned. I don't know why. So now I'm going to go in with a cream contour. This is the Revolution, oh no, I got an itch. The Revolution Matte Base Concealer in the shade C12.5. So it looks like this. I'm just going to put this on the areas I contour. I'm going to blend that out with a brush. Okay, so next I'm going to set under my eyes and like the areas where I get the most like creased or oily. I say oily, but I think I'm more like normal to dry skin, but my chin does get a little bit shit, to say the least. And this is in the shade Translucent. I'm going to take it on a sponge. Okay, so now is bronzer. So I'm going to take the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Give Me Sun. I want kind of like a dewy, bronzed look today, so I'm going to go in with this. I'm just going to take that on my cheekbones to really warm my skin up. I haven't used this in so long. It's because I haven't been tanned in so long. So then for blush, I'm going to take the L'Oreal Life's a Peach blush. This is probably my go-to blush, definitely. And I'm not going to be scared of this. I used to be so scared of blush because it was so like prominent and pigmented, but I like to apply a lot to begin with because I don't know if you notice, but it's the first thing that goes off the face, and I like to take it on my nose. Then I'm going to set my face with a little bit of Morphe setting spray. Oh, I love the smell of this. And then I'm going to take the Orfra? What is wrong with me? The Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight, which is this one here. We are literally looking like a Tin Man, which is great. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera to the rest of my eyes and my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I am back. So I went off camera and did my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I'm using the Doll Beauty Eva lashes, and then I popped on some of the Benefit Goof Proof. Now I'm going to take the MAC Lip Pencil in Cork, and then I'm going to take on top of that the Peach and Cream Lip Gloss in Sisterhood. So let's do this. So I am in love with this look on my lips. A massive trend going around with like dark outer lips and then obviously plumped, softer in the middle. Makes your lips look so big. So that is everything for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, I'm getting obsessed with the Doll Beauty lashes. They are just gorge. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe to my channel before you leave. Make sure to thumbs up this video if you did enjoy it. Let me know down below in the comments if you did, and also any video ideas you would like me to film. I hope you're staying safe, guys. I hope you're staying inside, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.